How to get cheap flights on Skyscanner. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can get cheap flights on Skyscanner. So then to begin with, open up your application and log in into your account. So in order to get a cheap flight on Skyscanner, there are multiple websites that can actually find you the best and the cheapest flight on Skyscanner. So basically you need to select the provider accordingly. So for that, first of all, you need to book a flight. So for that, tap on flights, select the type of trip and select the departure and select the destination as well as date, and then select number of company that you have, and you also need to select the class. In order to get a cheapest flight, make sure to go through the economic class only. After that, it's gonna show you a range of flights that's available on that particular date. You can also filter by cheapest. First of all, tap on cheapest and you can see the flight that is actually cheapest. Now select the flight. This is just a basic flight. Now it's gonna categorize it accordingly once again, and after that you need to select the provider first of all. So click on select, which is underneath, and here you can see this is one of the provider. Now from here you can also categorize it accordingly and select the cheapest flight that is available. So click on the book button. Next page, you'll be asked to provide in your details, and on the third step it's going to ask you to provide in your card details. Once done providing your card details, it's going to show you a confirmation stating that the payment has been successful and you've also successfully booked your flight on Skyscanner. And along with that, in order to get the cheapest flight, you can also use a voucher, maybe redeem code and all sort of things, or gift card in order to get a discount on your booking. So that is how you can get the cheapest flight on Skyscanner. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.